Hello there. How are you today? I'm great. Thank you for asking. I thought I heard you ask, but anyway. So today is a little bit different. Today is an unboxing video. I shot this video a few weeks ago when I received a package from my daughter. So I made it into an unboxing video and I thought I would present it today. So without further ado, my unboxing. Today is a bit of an unboxing video because I got a package from my daughter. Hi, Steph. And she wrote on the side, it's hard to see, but it's a birthday, Christmas, and Father's Day present for me. So let's take a look and see what we've got, shall we? All right. Bubble wrap. Big ones. They don't pop. Pity. Haha. Wow. Old El Paso taco seasoning. Nice. Oh, her sense of humor kills me. Wow. So, first of all, American Skittles, they are different than Czech Skittles or European Skittles, and I could show you in a moment. 2 big bags of that. Worth its weight in gold all by itself. 2 boxes. These will be very nice. Let's see. Something from Disneyland. Nice wrapping paper. And a card. And down inside, Screwball peanut butter whiskey. And, yes, Fireball. Those will come in handy in later, let's just say. And then something from Las Vegas. I'm guessing it's related. I have not seen this show. I want to see this show. So we will see what is involved. Vader. All right. All right. Ooh. 24 galactic postcards from Star Wars. Very cool. I still love the Beatles keychain. Awesome. Very awesome. My daughter knows me very well. And something else wrapped with tied with a ribbon. How nice. Wow. Okay. I guess it's a Christmas ornament of the Millennium Falcon flying. Yes, I guess it's part of the Star Wars Disney. Very cool. And now for her sense of humor. So, candy. And I complained to her, I don't know, well, earlier this year, maybe, or late last year, that my favorite type of toothpaste is not available in the Czech Republic. So a 2-pack to help take care of the sugar in the candy. So props to you, Stephanie. That's amazing. So that's my unboxing. Let's see. Looking at the cards. You are my father. But there's nothing inside, Steph.
Let's see.
I will talk to Steph about that later. And I guess the other card. The south side of Mount Rushmore.
Nice.
Yes, it's my birthday card. So she says it starts. So it's May or June. It got here in May, so that's positive. Not December. Punctuality does not run in our family. Yeah, that's pretty much that's a true statement. So, thank you very much, Stephanie. I love you. And to all of my other friends, I love you guys too. So, yes, this has been a very kind of nice, special end of May birthday, Father's Day, and Christmas. Hi again, I'm back. So that was my unboxing video, and I'm going to leave it pretty much at that. I will say it is July 6th. It's a holiday that commemorates the burning at the stake of someone who's known as sort of a hero in the Czech Republic, a man named Jan Hus, who was a Catholic priest and a philosopher, and I believe he taught at the Charles University in the 14th century, 1400s, and he was an early opponent of many of the Catholic Church teachings, or not teachings, doctrine, if you will, and the Pope didn't take kindly to him questioning church doctrine and rules, and so they eventually called him to a papal visit where he was arrested and burned at the stake on this date in 1415. So here we celebrate that with a day off from work. Seems appropriate. Yes, so that's today. And now I'm going to sign off, and we'll see what happens with the next video. Bye. Editor Les is here to say that he's really disappointed in producer Les and actor Les in producing this video and acting in it, because he forgot to ask you to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know the next time one of my videos comes up. It would be most appreciated. Thank you.